I met Kennedy on our very first day of residency in July. She was one of the nurses working on labor and delivery. I could tell from our first day that she really cared for her patients, advocated for them.
My husband was at military training, so I kind of leaned on Dr. Sparks emotionally. So she kind of helped me get through that.
Around 23 weeks in her pregnancy, I was working on call and ended up admitting her for preterm contractions, and that was the first time I was actually part of her care involvement in her pregnancy. And I could tell that she was really uncomfortable and a lot of pain, and I just kind of asked her if it was okay if we put her on the monitor to see what was happening, so we ended up admitting her.
Anytime I needed anything, she was there. She kind of sat on the edge of my bed and we talked extensively about early delivery and just the best option.
We got closer throughout the year, and I think we always joked about I was always going to be part of her C-section no matter what rotation I was on or where I was at. I was always going to try to be there. Kind of just worked out. She ended up delivering on another one of my call shifts, so I got to be there for her.
I would always joke around with her and tell her that I couldn't deliver without her. She would laugh and say, yes, you can, but I'm glad I didn't have to.
I get to be in her life. I get to watch these kids grow up. I get to visit with them.
I nominated Hannah for the Guardian Angel Award because she was compassionate, kind, caring, and she was there for me physically, mentally, and emotionally throughout my delivery.
I think the excellent patient care is just listening to your patients, making sure their voices feel heard, they don't feel dismissed, they feel like their opinion matters.
The day of the Guardian Angel Award was exciting. My entire maternity leave basically had been planning it. So I had her mom and dad drive up from Kentucky and then her husband fly in from Texas. It felt good to be able to give her an award and something she was so deserving of.
Being recognized as a guardian angel, it's made my whole year, especially as a resident. It makes me feel like I have had an impact on someone already, and I hope that I can continue doing that in my career.